What's up everyone, it's Len's Addict here, and today I've got the Dyson Purifier Big Quiet Formaldehyde. So many names. Well, let's have a look and unbox it and have a look what comes in the box. It's a big box. So, we have paperwork. Oh, that must be the fan. Oh, this is massive. This is the base bit. And we'll bring out the other stuff. I think this is more. Oops. I think this is the top bit. Yeah, with the screen. Well, let's assemble it. That's where the screen connects. Pretty cool. Alright, let's put it together. Oh. Oh, so I think this is the power cord in here. So we'll open that up. And yeah, that's the power cord. Oh, there's our remote. What a nice little remote. There's all the buttons on the remote. That's pretty cute. Just like the old Dyson fans. It's an infrared remote still. There's our power cable. Oh, let's attach this after we remove all the plastic. And before we attach this, actually, let's have a look inside here. What's actually in the filter? Wow, that's a big filter. Look at that. Oh, there's more. There's another filter. There's all these layers. Wow. That's actually a lot of filter meaning. So I assume this doesn't click in, or maybe I should read the manual. Let's just attach it and we'll see how we go. I think that's it. It has little roller wheels, so you can roll it around. Pretty cool. Alright, so here's the top bit of the fan. We'll attach it to the base. And we'll cycle through what the settings are on the screen. So we have different angles. So that's coming out and down low, and then we can angle it up high. And then we can also change the fan speed. It's very quiet on one. We also have auto. And we have sleep mode. Makes it really quiet. I'd rather it be loud for sleep. And then we can cycle through all the different air purifications. So we got the 24-hour air quality, PM 2.5, PM 10, CHO, VOC, NO2, CO2, air temperature, humidity, the filter life, connected to Wi-Fi. Yeah, and that's everything. Another little look at all of the sensors on the box is here. So you can also see like a cool little cutaway view of the fan, which I thought was pretty interesting.
there seems to be all these little holes on the side of the fan or the purifier here, which I assume are the air sensors, as it kind of highlights them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You also see the chemical bonds of the chemicals. Didn't do enough science in school to explain it. Here's a look inside. This is where the fan air kind of gets blown out of. And here's a little look at the caster wheels. So that enables the fan. You can kind of spin it around really easily. You can roll it between rooms. Makes it pretty easy to do all of that, other than the power cord. So there's also a little remote that magnetically attaches at the front. And it's got all the controls. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a swivel control, which is a bit disappointing, but it does magnetically attach, although it's not the strongest magnetic attachment. So that could be a little bit stronger, that would be nice. Yeah, so it'll look from the base up, some B-roll, and another little look at the little screen. It looks like the screen that Dyson uses on their vacuums. It looks just like they've put that same screen in here. I don't know if it is the same, but it's kind of similar, like a button on the bottom, just like on their new vacuum cleaners, and the little screen. So maybe they're using the same parts. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this Dyson air purifier. It's pretty impressive the amount of sensors it has, and how it has a catalytic converter to convert formaldehyde into, I forgot what it converts it into, but not formaldehyde. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you want to see in the review if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer it in the final review video. See you all in the next video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Lens Addict out.